Since its first glimpse into the deep beyond in late 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope has forever altered the way we perceive the cosmos. But now, something's changed. The most advanced space observatory ever built has detected something so bizarre, so profoundly inexplicable, that even the brightest minds in astrophysics are calling it a cosmic crisis. From galaxies that shouldn't exist, to signatures that hint at life beyond Earth, Webb's latest observations have not just pushed the boundaries of science, they've obliterated them. What if everything we thought we knew about the origin of the universe was wrong? Stay with us, because what you're about to witness might just change how you see the night sky, forever. It all began quietly. A soft murmur from the stars. Faint signals hidden in the backdrop of the early universe, signals that refused to match anything our models could explain. In July 2023, while analyzing data from a deep field survey, astronomers stumbled upon three extraordinary galaxies. They weren't just old. They were impossible. Their light didn't resemble normal starlight. Instead, it suggested something far more exotic, an entirely different kind of object. They called them dark stars. These aren't powered by fusion like ordinary suns. Instead, they might be fueled by dark matter itself, the elusive substance that forms most of the cosmos, yet remains invisible. If these theoretical dark stars are real, they may hold the key to understanding the abundance of black holes scattered across the universe. And here's the unsettling truth: dark matter makes up nearly 85% of all matter in the cosmos. Yet we know almost nothing about it. If dark stars exist, the history of stellar evolution may have to be rewritten from scratch. But that was just the beginning. Webb soon turned its attention to a distant planet orbiting a dim red star, just 40 light-years from Earth. Its name, GJ1214b. A so-called super-Earth, long considered too hot and cloud-covered to study in detail. But Webb's infrared vision cut through its thick, obscuring atmosphere, and what it found stunned researchers. Massive cloud systems, rich in water vapor, swept across its skies. Even more astonishing, the temperatures in certain regions were tolerable. Possibly even habitable. Then came the biggest shock: traces of methane, a compound often linked with biological activity. Could this mysterious planet be a water world, an ocean-covered alien globe with conditions suitable for life? We may be closer than ever to answering that question. Because Webb is uncovering something humanity has only dreamed of: planets that echo Earth, in temperature, chemistry, and perhaps even biology. When we think of smoke, we think of Earth, of combustion, of fire, of life. But what if I told you Webb just detected smoke signals from over 12 billion years ago? While observing one of the oldest galaxies ever recorded, Webb detected polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, organic molecules that form in smoke and play a vital role in life's chemistry. These molecules had traveled across time, their light stretched by the expanding universe, only visible thanks to gravitational lensing, nature's own cosmic magnifying glass. If these building blocks of life were already present so soon after the Big Bang, then maybe life isn't rare. Maybe it's inevitable. One of Webb's greatest accomplishments was recreating in less than 24 hours what once took the Hubble telescope 11 days. But the images it captured weren't just awe-inspiring, they were deeply disturbing. Webb revealed entire galaxies, massive, complex, ancient, existing when the universe was still in its infancy. Some were already home to supermassive black.
According to every model of cosmic evolution, they shouldn't be there. Galaxies are supposed to take billions of years to mature. These formed in mere hundreds of millions. As one astronomer put it, among the countless galaxies Webb photographed, one in particular sent chills down the spines of researchers. A nearly perfect spiral galaxy. So symmetrical, so flawless, it looked constructed. But what made it truly shocking was this: it appeared twice. Not distorted or blurred like gravitational lensing usually produces, but mirrored. Duplicated with eerie precision. Both versions pulsed with the same energy. Identical redshifts. Matching star clusters, synchronized movement. Could this be evidence of a parallel universe? Overlapping realities layered within space-time, only visible through the precision of a telescope like Webb? Some believe it could be. If so, we're not just looking into deep space anymore. We might be peering into alternate versions of ourselves. Webb can detect more than just light. Its instruments are sensitive enough to capture faint vibrations, the hidden sounds of space. In early 2024, while studying a collapsing star in the Carina Nebula, Webb heard something strange. Not chaos. Not randomness. But a pulse. A slow, rhythmic beat, spaced with chilling precision. Some said it sounded like a heartbeat. Others, a message. Was this a natural frequency of a dying star? Or something more? A final transmission, as the star collapsed into a black hole? No one knows for sure. But it raises an extraordinary question. Could the universe itself be trying to speak? Webb generates more data than any human team can process. So NASA enlisted help, an artificial intelligence trained to detect anomalies. It found one. Actually, it found it 3 times. A region of space where nothing should be, no stars, no galaxies, not even dust. A void. But within that emptiness, something pulsed. It wasn't a star. It wasn't light. It was a rotating gravitational spiral, a distortion in spacetime itself. Even stranger? A similar pattern appeared in early Hubble data, and was dismissed as noise. But Webb confirmed it. And the AI couldn't categorize it. It simply labeled it, unknown entity. In a remote sector of the sky, near the constellation Phorax, Webb found something that defied physics. Time itself seemed broken. As astronomers mapped distant galaxies, they noticed something bizarre. The farther away a galaxy was, the younger its light appeared. Not older, as redshift predicts, but reversed. This isn't just strange. It's impossible. It's as if part of the universe is replaying itself, a time fold, a cosmic glitch. Some physicists even call it evidence that we're inside a simulation. Whether it's a flaw in spacetime, or a message encoded in the stars, Webb may have just proven that time isn't as linear, or as real, as we believed. So here we are. At the edge of knowledge. Staring into a universe that no longer follows the rules we once thought unbreakable. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to clarify our theories, to shine light on the origin of everything. Instead, it has shattered certainty. It has whispered secrets we were never meant to hear. From stars made of darkness to echoes of alternate realities, from the heartbeat of dying suns to the spiral of unseen entities, Webb has not merely expanded our view, it has redefined reality. And now, with AI by its side, uncovering patterns we cannot explain, we find ourselves at a terrifying and beautiful frontier. Because if this is what Webb found in its first steps, then what's next might just break the universe. So tell us, has the telescope truly broken science? Or has it finally freed it? Let us know your thoughts. And subscribe if you want to keep following the signals that lead us deeper into the cosmic unknown.